Task connection window. This window appears when the tracking system option is enabled, plus the option show a connection window for tasks. At the top of the window you can see the name of the window that the system recognized that we were working on. To connect the window to the task, choose to filter the search by selecting a client, project, sprint in task or bug to view and select the task or bug to which we want to connect the window. Tasks and bugs shows on that list are based on the permissions the user have. Clicking connect will link the window to the task. From that moment, the system will automatically record the work time on the associated window and update the progress status of the task. You can see the progress status recorded for each task on the different tracking screens. Each time the user returns to the same window, the system will continue to record and update the progress of the task. Note that the task connection window will not appear if the window has already been connected to the task. You can connect different windows from the same program to multiple tasks. For example, linking a Word document window to a task will not prevent a different Word window from connecting to a different or the same task. You can make a window connection to the task a one-time connection so that the system will associate the time in the window with the task, but the next time the user returns to the same window, the connection window for the task will appear again. You can also set the task as a primary task, so that each window opened from that moment onwards will be considered as work on the task and update its status accordingly. When a primary task is set, task connection windows won't pop up. You can ignore a window so that when you return to this window, the task connection window will not appear. You can also ignore a program so that, for example, you can determine that the browser is never connected to tasks and for the system to ignore it and not pop up the task connection window each time they open the browser. Pressing the Do Nothing button or pressing the X button at the top of the screen will close the connection window without any action. You can edit window connections to tasks in the window ignore lists by using the Managing tab in the Windows Management view. You can pop up and change a connected window or connect a new window to a task by clicking the left mouse button on the software icon in the system tray. You can assign an unlimited number of windows to a task. When task status changes to close by dragging to the close column on the taskboard screen, all the windows that are connected to the task are automatically disconnected, and when the user will return to one of the previously connected windows, the task connection window will pop up again to make a new connection.